Hello everyone! Today I want to share with you a few simple tips to fix some common issues with sweaters. From sleeves that are too long, to cuffs that are too wide, to a sweater body that's longer than you'd like and doesn't sit well. The great thing is that you can easily take care of all these problems right at home without needing a sewing machine. Part 1. Imagine you have a sweater with a body that feels longer than you expected. What would you normally do? Take it to a shop or buy a new one. Before you do that, let me show you a simple little trick that can help you fix it right at home. It is easy, relaxing, and works well even if you enjoy sewing as a calm hobby. Let us start by turning the sweater inside out. We will focus on the seam along the body of the sweater. Begin by measuring 10 centimeters up from the bottom edge and mark that point. Next, from that mark, measure another 5 centimeters upward and make a second mark. After that, measure 4 centimeters up from the second mark and place a small third mark. From that point, measure another 5 centimeters upward and mark the fourth point. Now we will work with the first two marks. Fold the fabric so the first and second marks meet each other perfectly. Once the fold is in place, use tailor chalk to draw a gentle slanted line along the folded edge. This line will guide your stitching. Take your needle and secure the fold by sewing along that slanted line. Use a running back stitch to make sure the seam is strong and steady. When you reach the end, tie a firm knot to finish the seam and trim away any extra thread before moving to the next step. Next, repeat the process with the remaining two marks. Fold the fabric so the third and fourth marks come together. Draw another slanted chalk line, then sew along the line just as before. When you finish sewing, tie another secure knot and trim the loose thread. You will now see two gentle folds along the body of the sweater. We will repeat these same steps on the other side of the sweater so that both sides look balanced. Once both sides are done, turn the sweater right side out and take a look at the result. Those small folds have lifted the body of the sweater just a bit. When you put it on, the sweater will feel shorter and more comfortable. It also adds a subtle decorative detail along the side seams that looks thoughtful and intentional. Depending on how much length you want to adjust, you can change the measurements of the folds to suit your needs. This simple method gives you control over the fit of your sweater without needing to replace it or visit a tailor. Part 2. Do you have a sweater with sleeves that are just too long, and every time you wear it, you have to fold them up so they do not get in the way? That is not only inconvenient, but it can also stretch the sleeves and make them lose their shape. But do not worry. I'm going to show you a very simple trick to shorten your sweater sleeves without cutting anything, without using a sewing machine, and while keeping the sweater looking just as lovely as before. First, fold the extra part of the sleeve inward. Take a moment to smooth the fabric so the surface is even and flat. Now draw a line on the sleeve about 4 centimeters above the folded edge. After that, draw a second line that runs next to the first one with a distance of about 1 centimeter between them. Start by bringing your needle up from the inside of the fabric right on the first line. Next, push the needle down on the second line at a very slight angle and bring it up again at a point that lines up with the first stitch. Then push the needle down again on the first line and bring it up about 1 centimeter away from your starting point. When you pull the thread gently, you will see it form a small letter X. Continue making the same letter X stitches along the two lines you marked. These stitches will hold the folded fabric securely inside the sleeve. By the way, where are you watching this video from? Feel free to leave a comment and let us know. It always makes us happy to hear from you. Now, once you finish the row of X stitches, tie a knot on the inside of the sleeve and trim off the extra thread. For the next step, take a piece of yellow embroidery thread to create a little decorative touch across your seam. Make small, simple stitches in the center of each X just like this. This tiny added detail gives your pattern a charming highlight. When you finish this row, bring your needle back to the inside of the sleeve, tie a knot, and trim the leftover thread. And that is it. You now have a creative little border made with very simple stitches. The sleeve keeps its natural stretch, and even better, it is now shorter and much neater. It no longer looks bulky or messy. In fact, the new decorative line makes it look even more stylish than before. Part 3. Are your sweater sleeves too wide, making them look loose and shapeless when you wear them? This is a very common issue, especially with sweaters that have stretched out or with styles that are a bit too oversized. But do not set aside your favorite sweater just yet. I will show you a very simple trick to make the sleeve opening slimmer and neater. We will start right here at the cuff. Take a small section of the knit fabric and fold it inward just like this. Then take another small section on the opposite side of the cuff and make the same fold so the two folds meet in the middle. You can already see that the sleeve opening looks smaller and tidier. Now take your needle and secure these two folds together. Use a simple stitch. There is no need for anything fancy. Just make sure the stitches are strong enough to hold the folds in place. Once the folds are secured, thread a small white decorative bead onto your needle and slide it down to the base of the thread. Sew the bead right where the two folds touch. Make 1 or 2 stitches to be sure the bead stays firmly in place. When that is done, bring the needle back to the inside of the sleeve. Tie a small knot to finish the seam and trim the extra thread. Repeat the same steps for the other sleeve as well. And here is the result. Your sleeve openings will look neat and nicely shaped. When you put the sweater on, the sleeves will no longer flare out in a messy way. Instead, they will look much more fitted and even have a charming little accent at the cuff. It is stylish, simple, and gives new life to a sweater you already love. And that is it. 3 simple sewing tricks that help your clothes fit better without cutting, without special tools, and without losing the natural beauty of the fabric. Whether you love sewing as a daily hobby or you just want quick fixes for your favorite pieces, these little methods can make a big difference. If you found these tips helpful, feel free to leave a comment and let us know which one you will try first. Thank you for watching, and I hope your next sewing project brings you comfort, creativity, and a little bit of joy.